Prejudice builds walls and tries to strip others of their dignity. Compassion moves us to stand with others in their suffering and to take action, binding us all together. Fidelity to the mission of the Sisters of the Holy Cross and the mission of Holy Cross Hospital called us to reach out to persons struggling with HIV/AIDS, to provide them with excellent healthcare services, and above all, to respond with compassion and respect.
It was natural that we, Sisters of the Holy Cross, would provide care for people with this frightening new illness called AIDS. I never felt fearful myself, but I encountered many fears, often wall-building ones, in other people. Fear of catching the virus, fear of touching, fear of being identified, fear of associating with those kind of people. What kind of people? People just like us? Confronting these fears meant being alert for teachable moments to convey the facts about the disease, and offering educational programs that included having people with AIDS tell their own story. By sharing in the life journey of people who were suddenly facing death head-on, I learned to listen to what would give their lives meaning that particular day. I learned how a team of caregivers could make all the difference in the world to people with HIV/AIDS. The dedicated healthcare team at Holy Cross Hospital turned frightened, lonely, alienated people with a devastating disease into people who knew that they were respected, valued, and would be cared for to the end of their lives.
To this day, I remain grateful for the privilege to have known and journeyed with people with AIDS in the Salt Lake community. All of us who served these men and women were blessed by their presence in our lives.
The people who came into my life during those 6 years left deep footprints on my heart and became a part of the fabric of my life. Caring for people with HIV/AIDS was a privilege, a blessing, and an album of wonderful memories for me personally and for all of us Sisters of the Holy Cross.